strange and absurd things my brain observes until a change occurs. Take it apart, then reassemble, making some art out of a world that could be breaking my heart, but I don't choose to let it. Yo, who selects the true perspective? I keep the clues connected like a gumshoe detective. I see the future like a blueprint. I feel the movement within this universe. City, I'm a student, learning to use my language to my advantage. Instead of doing damage, I'ma make the anguish vanish. Negative mind states I banish, and if you understand it, my rhymes are like a sandwich for the famished. The nutrition, new visions from a musician who's spitting the opposite of superstition. So when you listen, the pleasure, relieve your pressure, is buried treasure. I plan to see that's there forever. I paint with words, strange and absurd. I paint with words until a change occurs. I paint with words, strange and absurd until a change occurs. My roots are buried in the ground, a very profound vocabulary. I carry around a library of sound, take it to various towns. On stage, I'm taking barriers and tearing them down, abolishing ignorance like scholarships to colleges with knowledge that's sure to open minds like neurologists. Keep up by speaking deep word paintings, abstract rhyme scheme, dream interpretations. A large abundance of funk that's loud as trumpets and drum kits, but deep as dungeons. You need a compass to navigate. Just gravitate to what fascinates, and you'll get the picture like a Saturday matinee. My favorite sensation is curiosity. The lack of it causes separation like apostrophes. So follow these word oddities, stretching out your knowledge and philosophies with no apologies.